Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. So in today's video, I'll be showing with you guys two items that I bought for myself. So yeah, we're going back to consumerism. Basically, this is what my channel is all about, I guess. But you know, I'm still trying to be sustainable. I buy my things mostly pre-loved if I could. But yeah, mind you guys, these two items are pre-loved, so you know, in a way, it's still sustainable. So yeah, to anyone who's just stumbled upon the channel, I am Kenny. I do these kind of videos, luxury unboxings, and everything in between. If you're into consumerism, I'd like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify all the videos that I do create. So yeah, today I've got a bag and a pair of shoes. So I'm gonna go and start off with a pair of shoes. So I love my loafers. I love my tabby ones, my Lemaire ones, but they're getting quite uncomfortable if you're like, you know, wearing them throughout the day. But they're still comfortable, I guess, compared to my other shoes. But when this release came out, I was like, oh wow, that's perfect for me because I love loafers. But then, you know, you don't get a lot of comfort from wearing loafers. When this release came out, I was like shook and I'm like, where do I sign up? And last year we went to Japan, but when I came into the stores, they were completely sold out, so I missed out on them. And I was traveling, so I wasn't like, you know, really paying attention too much online, like where are the sales going to be on, like all that details. But then I came back to Australia and I'm still like hankering after a pair of these. So here she is, or he is. This is the New Balance X JUNYA Watanabe collaboration. So it's basically a pair of loafers, a hybrid of sneakers. But I feel like this is the most like perfect like hybrid. I've seen a lot of other sneaker brands do this kind of shoe loafer with a sneaker one, but I just feel like it gives you both all at the same time, and it doesn't look forced. It just married perfectly between each other. And this is the 1906L, and this is, I think, the range of like sneakers from New Balance that I completely love. Very comfortable, can wear it throughout the day. But you know, sometimes they don't really look that good, but they're so comfortable. So yeah, and you know, this is that. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a good spin. So it has that iconic like 1906 sole over here, very thick and very like cushioned. So basically from the front over here, you've got I think this is Napo leather, like if you can see from here, it's grained, not very smooth, but you have some like kind of a patent leather over here, and you've got your JUNYA Watanabe branding over there, and you got it from the insole as well. I believe this could probably be like the Ortholite as well, but I can't just be very sure about that. So yeah, basically that's what it looks like. So yeah, completely obsessed, and I feel like even with this outfit, pair of shorts with this one, and sometimes if you want to be like preppy, I'll wear like a higher pair of socks and a loafer, give you that preppy Ivy League style look. But yeah, I just love it. I actually haven't used it. I'm like, because I paid quite a bit for this one. But yeah, I do love it. I'm completely obsessed with it. I just thought, you know what? You've actually bought yourself a tabby pair of shoes and a bootie over there, which is not comfortable. Why not buy something that's actually comfortable and will not kill your feet? So that's how I reasoned out to jump on this. So yeah, I'm actually so excited to wear this one. I feel like this is probably the perfect travel shoe, I guess, because you know, you get the loafer look and the sneaker all at the same time. So yeah, I love it to pieces. This one I've sourced from a lady. She looks like a blogger from the UK. So yeah, well, it's just over the retail price, so I didn't pay like the hiked up prices on the resale market. But yeah, love it. All right, next one, the most exciting one is this. I've held out on this one. It's been sitting in the living room for about more than a week now, and I'm not the person to actually wait, but then I haven't done that much of an unboxing on this channel, so I thought, okay, let's save it for a day when I'm actually free and in the mood. So here we are right now. How lucky are you guys? Sometimes I'm being so selfish. I just want to keep all the excitement to myself, but yeah. Anyways, enough about me. How is everyone doing? How's 2025 treating you at the moment? Like, yeah, take me with you. This is from the eBay Authenticity Guarantee Program. So it's been obviously authenticated. It's got all the details here from eBay. This is over here. So here she is. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure you'll say, not another bag of that from that brand. Don't you have so many of them? You'll find out. So yeah, let's take it out from the dust bag. Oh my god. Shoot. Okay. Based from this dust bag, I feel like you probably know what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks stunning. Oh my god. Isn't she lovely? Oh my god. I love the color. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, let's give it a worldwide introduction. So she is the LOEWE Puzzle Edge. So I might have said something about this bag before, but then, you know, I didn't like really went into deep on that. But I know, like most things in fashion, something new that has been re-envisioned get so much hate, especially if they have a previous like popular version of it, and then sometimes a brand like, you know, re-envisions it. So this is one of that. It's the Puzzle Edge now. It's not the LOEWE puzzle bag. So this one I got from eBay, pre-loved. Such a good price. I think this is in a taupey brown. It's gearing towards a brown tone, not a gray one. So, oh my gosh, let me see the inclusions on this. She said the receipt is in here. I hope it is. It's not. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god, yes. Oh, she got everything. She got everything. Oh my god, yeah, okay. So this is the Puzzle Edge in the sand color. Wow, it's got the receipt. Oh my gosh, brings back memories. Okay, it's got the LOEWE receipt. So it was bought from Rue Saint Honoré in Paris. So this was purchased for 2,600 euros. I'm not sure how much that is Australian. Oh yeah, it was, yeah, 4,500 Australian. So I got like probably half of this price. I gave a very sneaky offer, a cheeky one, and I was shocked that she accepted it. Wow, okay, love it. Thank you so much for that. But then, okay, I want to put the strap on. Oh my gosh, and it's in gold hardware. And all of my LOEWE puzzle bags are in silver. Let's see how this looks. It's got that eBay authenticity card over there. So I put it on incorrectly. Is that the correct way of it? Okay. So wow. Can I just have a look in my mirror? I'm afraid that I love it. I thought to myself, no, maybe you are not to keep it. But I'm so afraid that I will keep it. Alright, can you just have a look? 360, it looks brand new. It was barely used. I love it. It's in gold hardware. And because sometimes my 10 one was like, had been through things so much. It's always something that I keep grabbing. And I have three other puzzle bags. I sold my mini one, the white one, and I thought I actually wanted another puzzle bag. Do you really? Yeah, of course I want more, but it's not a need. So that's that. Like, let me grab. So these, just a quick comparison. Obviously, the new small ones don't have the feet at the bottom now. I feel like, you know what, this bag is, you know, it has that 3D effect on it because it's like a box, basically. But with this one, I feel like it's less boxy because there is an absence of that line over here. And I feel, as many things in fashion, it's always something like that. Sometimes when you see it straight up being introduced, I'm like so repulsed by the idea, but then once you keep seeing it over and over again, it grows on you. And this is that, an epitome of that idea. But I'm not mad at it because it's stunning. I feel like it's been thought out so carefully, and I love it. And the absence of that line over here gives it a bit more less boxy silhouette of the bag, because I can hear a lot of feedbacks from people buying this bag that it looked too boxy for their frame. But then the absence of those lines over here gives it a, you know, a more fluid, in a way, more organic in terms of the shape of it. I do appreciate that with this bag, but let's see how it goes. Sometimes you know, because of the peak of the emotion, I say something and then later on I probably like take it back. But at like first impressions, I'm obsessed with it. It looks great. The color. I've sold my Celine So Sangle, if you can't see it from the display. And I'm still missing like this kind of shade of gray. I don't have anything like this in terms of my colorway, in terms of my bags that I have. Yeah. I actually haven't bought that many bags in the past year. I've been very picky. I'm still like stopping myself every time. Okay. Anyway, I'm just really sad that Jonathan Anderson is leaving LOEWE. I'm not sure how that house will hold up without him directing everything, but he is the one who created this bag, and it's a legacy of the brand. He reinvigorated the brand. What an icon, what a genius he is. But yeah, if you are asking me, I love it. I love it. Does this make this less of a bag? No, I still quite like it. Let's see how it goes. I still quite this design overall. I love the boxy shape of this, but I just love something fresh and new as well. But yeah, we will see how it goes. Yeah, I just like that dip over there. Love it. So pieces. So yeah, here she is, my newest addition to the collection. It's my LOEWE puzzle bag in the sand color. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Okay, 2025 have just started, and it seems like we're almost towards the end of the year. Don't you feel that way as well? I feel that way. I'm just so done with life. I don't know, I'm not sure if that's just me, but that's how I feel. I'm like so done. I'm not even halfway through my life expectancy and I'm already feeling this way. But yeah, being adult is not easy at all. It's just not. So yeah, I'm gonna do everything, you know, to keep myself motivated to live. Oh my gosh, let's not sound depressed, okay? We have to inspire people. But there's just times that you just cannot help it. But yeah, I'm feeling it definitely. So yeah, another year, another bag. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye.